you know this song? Everyone actually heard it, but it's up here. See it. And there's a back story in there, a huge one. By the way, the owner of that song belongs into a Filipino singer. So this is the backstory. The selfish mom always protect their kids outside. They don't the mom don't want to get their outside. And the kids are planning to do it. So they're escaping so they cannot see their selfish mother again. Do you know the clappings? Did you know the kids in the Scare Kids are actually planning to do that? Subscribe!